It started, so you might as well.
What's going on, guys? This is my 2013 Check EX7 that I recently got off of Craigslist. I paid $850. It has an upgraded 1x drivetrain, upgraded Dior XT brakes. It was converted to tubeless, and it has a D&M dropper post.
Dylan, so what's the suspension on this bike?
The suspension on this is a Fox Evolution with 130 millimeters of travel. They're air, of course. Feel very responsive and great, even though they are a few years old at this point. They don't have much progression in them, but they do feel great. Rebound on everything, along with...
Yeah, Dylan, that's like on every Fox suspension. You're just coming from RST fork that like didn't even have rebound. So you know, this is as expected. So you're gonna talk about the drivetrain. What I don't know what kind of derailleur it has. Tell me about the derailleur, Dylan.
It is an SLX derailleur, Max.
Oh, is it really?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Oh yeah, it says SLX.
Yeah, who would have guessed?
Well, what kind of dropper post does it have? Is that a dropper post, Dylan?
No, this is...
Tell me about it.
This is my third fork.
This is your third fork.
700 millimeter stanchions. Actually, there's a small turbo up in there too. But
Dylan knows a lot about bikes.
Actually, it's a D&M dropper post. I believe it's roughly 100 millimeters of travel. Controlled by this little switch up here.
Yeah, I like that switch more than I like the one that I like on my bike.
Yeah. The only thing that kind of sucks is this isn't the highest end dropper post, so when you first use it at the start of your ride, you don't have to hit it for it to actually come up if it's left down. Yeah.
So what tires? What are the width on your tires, Dylan?
I don't remember the exact width. These aren't even the...
It says it on the tires. They're 2.4 Ardents by Maxxis.
You know what, Max? I wasn't looking at that, okay?
Well,
I was trying not to look like this.
They're your wheels.
I know they're my wheels. These are not the stock ones. So
whatever, I told them about it. What are your rims?
One Tricky Dusters, right there.
Good for you. Oh, and you're coming from a 29er. How do you like 26-inch?
Well, honestly, it's not a crazy difference. You know, the 29ers do feel big and they do roll over a lot of objects, but these 29ers are shorter and small. They're smaller and just a little bit more responsive and nicer to ride.
Yeah. Well, are you happy?
Less breakable too.
Yeah. Luckily or unluckily, we didn't get that on video. That was very fun. Didn't you like break your thumb?
Yeah, I definitely snapped it in 17 places. Yeah.
Well, are you happy with your first used bike? Are you gonna go the used route again?
I'm pretty happy with it. It's for $850, it's pretty good.
Yeah.
I mean, I can't really say if I will go with the used route. You know, all bikes, as long as they're maintained, are nice to ride.
Exactly. Kind of like I said in my other video that you still didn't watch. My biggest fan.
I uploaded it probably like 30 minutes ago. Okay?
No, like 4 hours ago, more like whatever. You know.
I have to go to school.
Yeah.
What do you want me to do? Watch it in this class?
You can. Well, yeah. Well, I was gonna say something. Yeah, about the drivetrain. I switched my bike to a 1x. Has a 11 to 42 cassette. Some cheap Chinese single chainring. It has the same dimensions as a race face, so I thought that would be fine. But my bike is still the same with more scratches. But this is Dylan's new bike. You're gonna see him ride it, probably, and it's pretty much it, right? Unless you have anything else to say.
I mean, not really. Everything other than what we've mentioned is pretty much stock.
Yeah.
It's a 18.5-inch frame as well.
And you're like 5'10", 5'11".
Roughly 5'11", and it is shorter, but it doesn't feel small. It feels nice and agile and whippable.
I forgot to mention, we haven't talked about probably half of the bike, about the pedals and stuff. So if you want to see the full specs of this bike, just go on Bicycle Blue Book. It's a Fuel EX7. Yeah. Well, now you're just gonna see videos of Dylan riding it in the rain. What are you doing, Dylan? You got some doo-doo on your tires. Let me get that off.
I'll pump it.
Pump it. Pump it. The water's all gone.
Son of a gun.
Looks brand new.
Yep.
Okay, I kind of practiced my manuals. Haven't rode my bike in a while. So this is kind of sketchy. I think I might try it. I don't know, what's the worst that could happen if I fail?
Definitely broken neck, but you don't need your neck. You're fine.
Yeah, necks are overrated.
I know. Yeah, guys, if he crashes and dies, you know, get this video to 1 million likes and he'll do it again.
No, Dylan will try it if it gets to 1 million likes.
If it gets to 1 million likes, I'll freaking do it.
Dylan will do anything for 1 million likes.
Hey.
Anything.
No.
So I'm actually considering about jumping off the roof. It's not too high, but it's very slick. I'm just hoping the rain stops, so it's not as slick. Dylan, what are you doing?
Sorry, I didn't know you were up there, buddy.
I'm trying to jump off and you're getting it wet.
No, you'll be fine.
Yeah, I might actually do it.
It's like 90 degrees out here.
If I do it, I'll just have to get a lot of speed and manual off of it because it is super slick up here.
Yeah,
and
it's almost undoable.
yeah, and I'm out of school and like there's still teachers here, so we'll see.
No.
Okay, I think I'm gonna go for it this time.
You better.
Hold it up, clean it.
All right. Hopefully that is good. All right. Thanks. Just send it. All right, let's go. I'm gonna clean it off one last time, then go. All right, go ahead. All right, go fast. I don't want no rain to get on it. Oh my gosh.
What the? My foot slipped. I thought I was gonna die.
That was definitely like...
My foot slipped, I promise. I was like...
Which one, your left or right?
My right foot slipped.
Right.
Damn, that pretty much wraps it up for the day, I guess. Unless Dylan wants to do that.
No, we might get some riding clips or something.
Yeah, we might as well. It's pouring. We're all wet.
Yeah.
Inside out. No, that was a joke. A bad joke.
That's not a good joke.
A bad joke.
Yeah. Cut that one out.
We're not gonna cut that one out. Okay, yeah. Well, maybe you guys will get some clips. Yeah. So, see you some other time.
Next video.
Next video.
Like gravity.
You're so white, Dylan. You're so white.
I mean...